again. It's a Rhinestones.
Welcome back to another video. So I have got a cheeky little extra box this month. So this is not Colorfuljuly's monthly sub box. This is their summer nail box. So this did come in pretty packaging. I did start to unpackage this at my mum's. I've been at my mum's for the past week or so, but I wasn't happy with my lighting, so I packaged it away and thought I'll do it when I get home. But anyway, I'm home now, so shall we get this unboxed? Yeah, this is a summer nail art box, and I'm just going to unpack it and see what we got. So we've got the usual shimmery card that you get in all different colours, and this just has all their social media stuffs on there if you want to follow them. Quick sneak peek, and then I'm going to move it off and we'll just go through it. So firstly, we've got a couple of sparkly things. So I'm not going to actually open these because I feel like I might already have them. So we've got these light blue stars and dark blue stars are the same, just different colours. And then we've got these little pips. I've got a set of nails in mind I wanted to do with these pips for a while actually. But I need more colours, so yeah. And then we've got yellow stars and orange stars. The orange ones have got the outer bit and the middle bit, and they're kind of iridescent, aren't they? They've got a nice iridescent shine on them. These do need encapsulating really because they're quite thick sequins. And then we've got a couple of hex mix holographic, like a royal blue and an aqua blue. These are little stars. It's hard to see. Oh no, are they stars? Yeah, it's hard to see that they're stars because of all that hollow. We've got silver leaf, black. These are like bits of stringy stuff. And this is flocking powder, black flocking powder, which is just like fluff, like black fluff. We got those. We got these. These are teeny tiny little jellyfish. I've never seen these before. Look. Teeny tiny little jellyfish. So we've got pink, purple and blue. They're cute, aren't they? So yeah, I think this is like a tropical under the water type themed kind of box, isn't it? Aren't they cute? I've never seen them before. Then we've got a pot of these. These are like a half. They're like glass rhinestones, but they haven't got the facets. They're just perfectly round in mocha colours. I do use these quite often. These are really cute. All different sizes. I use a lot of the hot pink ones. I like them. And we've got a pack of pretty pink pearls. So these pearls are kind of ombre. If you look closely, they're half pink and half kind of peach. Full pearls, they're not cut in half. All different sizes. I don't think I have pearls in this colour. So they're cute. We've got some more rhinestones. So these are just clear, crystal clear. But it's got some little diamond shaped ones in there. See if I can find any. Yeah, can you see that little diamond one? Little diamond shape. It's got a few of them in there as well. Very sparkly. You can never have enough transparent clear rhinestones. And these are all different sizes. I get through transparent rhinestones so quickly. Oh guys, look at these. Oh, let's open them. These are beautiful. So these big things are curved on the back. So they would lay flat on the nail, but they are quite bulbous. Oh, they are quite bulbous, aren't they? They are quite... They're different. I haven't seen them before. I can't work out if they're the same colour or not. I think they're different colours, yeah. Underneath, right, so that one's silver with the blue coming through it. This one's gold with the blue coming through it. And this one is also gold with green coming through it. Slightly different colours. And then look at these. They're teeny tiny little shell, starfish and pearl cluster. That's so cute, and the shell is open. You could even put teeny tiny pearl inside that shell. Isn't that beautiful? Right, so that's how it would sit. That's the direction it's curved in. That's how it would sit on the nail. Isn't that pretty? I love that. And we've got it in with the pink shell, the creamy coloured shell and green shell. They're beautiful. I love them. I can see me using them a lot. They're very pretty. Right, and we've also got in this, so we got that in the gold, green and blue, and we've got it in the silver, in the green and blue as well. The other one's in this pot. So there's 2 of each, isn't there? And in this pot, we've got little, these are glass as well. I thought they were resin, but they're glass. They're like little mermaid tails. So these ones are kind of frosted. This one's frosted, but it's Aurora. And this one's not frosted. This one's like transparent. Aren't they pretty? I love this one. They're so unique, aren't they? Oh, they're cute. Yeah, they're glass. I thought they were resin and they're not. Very pretty. So we got those. We got another one of these. I'm not going to swatch this today because I've already had one of these off them and swatched it. Let me show you. So yeah, I swatched them over a black and a clear. So that's what they look like over black. So we've got the blue, then the green and the other blue. And then this is the purple, the peachy colour and the yellowy colour. That's what they look like over black. It's like chrome powder, aren't they? And then that's what they look like over clear. Really versatile, aren't they, these kind of Aurora powders? And you can swatch them over a white, any colour. But yeah, I'm not going to open that because I've already got one. Oh wow, look at these. So this has got all like blue stones, pearly kind of stones. We've got all gold. Let's tip this out. Look at all this, guys. We've got all these bits of blue stony shell stuff. And then look at these beautiful pieces of shell. All little gold strandy bits. I see these a lot. These wires wrapped up into little circles. And a lot of these Japanese nails, they make little, they will literally put a little stone on a nail like that. With some of this gold stuff wrapped around them. I think this is, yeah, like the Japanese nail things that they do. I'm rubbish at explaining things, but they are actually quite popular, these kind of nails. I don't know what the name is for them. Right, then we've got some stickers. Oh, I like these. Look at these. I love these little seashells. I like these blue ones. And then these are like waves. Little shells and palm trees and birds. And then these are like kind of full cover stickers where you can't really see, but it would look like crashing waves on your nail. They're different, aren't they? I like them. Then we've got these. I think these are clouds and stars. They're very cute. I like these swirly ones. They've got little swirls and tiny little stars on them. Could just go down a nail. They're very pretty. And then these, I think these are crashing waves. A bit like what's on here. So you could do the blue pool water trend effect that's going around at the minute. And put a couple of crashing waves on there. And some of these little sea charms. Even putting one of them on a nail with a sea charm and a shell. I'm loving the theme of this box. And then we've got some shells. So these are the same. These are white. And these are red holographic. These are very pretty. I like this red hollow. It's got the cracked glass effect. Can you see? They're very posh, aren't they? I like these plain white ones as well. Lovely. I do like these stickers. I like all of these today, actually. I like all of them. And then, oh, we've got some nail art brushes. Let's have a look. I remember the first ever set of nail art brushes I got was the same as these. They came in the same package and everything. The only difference was mine had red glitter and these have got purple glitter. The first nail art brushes I ever bought, So we've got a small, a medium, and I wouldn't say large, but 3 different size. And they're really, really teeny tiny, skinny little brushes. They are not bad brushes at all. And they're really thin to hold. I quite like the feel of these. I quite like the feel of them. That's nice. I don't think we've had detail brushes before in a Colorfuljuly box, have we? Cute, I like them. And lastly, before I show you what gels are included in this box, we've got some foils, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right, so these are going to be difficult to show you. I'll show you a couple. Look at this. So these are all transparent foils, and they just put different effects on the nail. So that's like the cracked glass effect, holographic. Isn't that smart? And you get a full meter as well in these foils. They're so long. You'd never get through a meter of this, would you? And then I'll show you this one. Quite a few of them are very similar to this, just all different shapes. They're like swirls. They remind me of oil, when oil leaks out your car, or petrol on the road. Reminds me of that. Very difficult to see them. And this one's kind of stripy. So hard to see it. Yeah, this one's like just laser kind of effect. Yeah, very smart. I like them. I do think I've already got these. I'm not sure, I'll have to check. And then, yeah, the rest of them are all just different types of this oil slick diesel type effect. This one's nice. This one is just plain. Just plain, but I think it just puts like a holographic layer on your nail. I think this one. That's different. I like it. Right, and lastly, we've got a couple of the solid gels. And their solid gels always come with little swatch pops and sticky dots on the top if you want to do your swatches like that. I don't use them swatch pops. So we've got number 2 and number 21. I'm going to give these a quick swatch anyway. We've got a couple of these. I don't like these. Number 7 and number 2. We'll swatch these as well. And these, I have numbered them myself. That says number 1 on the bottom. And this one doesn't say anything. So I've named them 1 and 2. Right, let me get all this away. And we'll give these gels a quick swatch, eh? Right, I'm going to start by showing you these two. I'm not going to swatch these. I'm just going to show you them in the pots. So this is number 7. And it's called Solid Sequins. And this is like a black with gold bits in it. That's giving me Halloween vibes. I think that would be cool around Halloween, wouldn't it? And then this one, number 2. I was getting Christmas vibes from this one. It's like green and red and gold, isn't it? That would be good for Christmas nails. And this is just like a solid gel. But it is very solid. I don't like painting with it. Right, so we'll give these ones a quick swatch first. So this is number 1. And it is a beautiful metallic silver. And this is number 2. And this one's a beautiful metallic gold. These are actually really nice. Just going to give them a quick stir. Gels like this with shimmers, glitters, always make sure you give them a good stir before you use them, because all the pigment drops to the bottom. Right, so let's start with the silver. Just swatching them on my small sticks. I do always like Colorfuljuly's paints. They are nice. So I'm going to give them both 2 coats. I'll just show you the first coat. That's gone on nice and smooth. I like that. It's just a nice plain metallic silver, isn't it? So I'm going to stick these in the lamp for 60 seconds. And while that silver's curing, we'll do the gold. Oh, this is a nice gold. I don't like them kind of yellow golds. I prefer this kind of gold. More like a 9 carat gold, isn't it? Nice. I don't even think I'm going to give that one a second coat, actually. It really doesn't need it. That applied beautifully, didn't it? Right, so that's them two swatched. I like them. They're just a nice, plain, simple gold and silver, aren't they? I do like them. Right, so I'm going to swatch these little solid gels now. 2 and 21. So number 2 is a nice bluey grey. And 21 is a beautiful pink. I have also already swatched these, but I'm going to do them again. Yeah, Colorfuljuly solid creams are one of the nicer solid creams I've used. They're always super creamy and opaque, and they apply beautifully. Look at that for just one quick coat. How smooth and creamy it is. They are nice. I'm not a fan of solid gels because they're time consuming for nail art and videos, having to keep cleaning your brush off. But they are very, very nice to use. Very nice. They apply beautifully. You only need a tiny bit and it just spreads forever. It doesn't flood your cuticles. It's good for people with shaky hands, or if you're using your non-dominant hand. They are really nice to use. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful colour as well. Right, I'm just going to cure these, top coat them, and then we'll have a quick recap on everything that came in this summer nail art box. Right guys, so that is it for the summer nail art box. So we got all them stickers. This is everything that came in this little box. I love these little nail shell cluster charms. I love them. And the little mermaid tail things. Jellyfish. Rhinestones. I like this little box. And then we got a couple of boxes of little glittery sequiny type things. And then these are the gels. I didn't show you the colours, did I? So this is all the colours that came in this box. I like all 4 of them. The colours that come in these Colorfuljuly mystery boxes used to be a bit hit and miss, didn't they? But I think they've been getting so much better. I really like all 4 of them. Nice little box. It's definitely kind of jellyfish, mermaid tails, under the water type themed box, isn't it? Anyway guys, that is it for today. Keep your eye out over the next week. I've got August monthly box to show you, and we definitely need to use some of this stuff. I need to do a set just so I can use these or these, not sure. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Totally forgot to mention as well, I've got a discount code for Colorfuljuly. I'll leave product links, website links, it'll all be in my description box below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.